Greetings everyone. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much everyone for being here this morning. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Millions of Americans may permanently receive stimulus payments. That's if Congress agrees with President Joe Biden's agenda. However, Republicans are pushing for more time to write the bipartisan infrastructure bill. Also, this coming Friday, I will be giving away more $75 Amazon gift cards. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone. Many parents were very thrilled to have hundreds of dollars suddenly land in their bank accounts last week, as the Internal Revenue Service distributed the first of 6 monthly child tax credit payments. This is the first time the child tax credit is being paid out on a monthly basis. When lawmakers beefed up the credit as part of the Democrats' $1.9 trillion stimulus relief package in the spring, they opted to provide half of it this year to help parents with their monthly expenses, including housing, food, clothing, and school supplies. Families will then get the other half when they file their 2021 tax returns next year. But receiving the monthly payments could lead to some unwelcome surprise at tax time in the spring, especially for parents in certain situations. They may be better off opting out of this year's income stream via an IRS portal and receiving the credit as a lump sum when they file their 2021 taxes, which is how it's usually paid. Unlike the first 3 rounds of stimulus checks that many Americans received during the crisis, these monthly deposits are actually early payments of families' estimated child tax credit for the year 2021. But these payments are also based on 2020 or 2019 income and household size. So if either of those changes, parents could wind up receiving much smaller refunds than they had expected, or even owing taxes when they complete their 2021 returns next spring. That is when they have to reconcile the monthly payments they already received with the actual amount of child tax credit they qualify for.
Last night, Madam President, the Senate took a vote on whether to proceed to a debate on infrastructure. Unfortunately, our Republican colleagues blocked the Senate from taking this first entirely procedural step. I understand that the effort to finish the text of the bipartisan bill has progressed since I announced this vote last week. The negotiators have made significant progress, but there are still some outstanding issues. Therefore, at the end of the vote yesterday, I changed my response to a no so that I may move to reconsider the vote at a future time. My colleagues on both sides should be assured. As Majority Leader, I have every intention of passing both major My colleagues on both sides of the aisle should be assured. As Majority Leader, I have every intention of passing both major infrastructure packages, the bipartisan infrastructure framework and a budget resolution with reconciliation instructions, before we leave for the August recess. I laid out that precise schedule at the end of June, and I intend to stick with it. A new report by the chief economist at Moody's, Mark Zandi, hardly a liberal economist, someone who actually served as an economic advisor to Senator McCain, concluded that both major infrastructure proposals are essential to maximize our economic potential. Not just one, both. And together, they would give a massive boost to the economy, ease inflation pressures, create jobs, increase productivity, and reduce income inequality. These are incredibly worthy goals, and the Senate is going to keep working on both tracks of infrastructure in order to achieve them.
Lawmakers, however, protected lower-income parents from potential overpayments. Heads of households making $50,000 or less and joint filers with incomes of $60,000 or less will not need to repay any excess credits. Parents will also be able to update their incomes, number of dependents, and marital status via the portal later this summer. The Internal Revenue Service should then adjust subsequent monthly payments. The child tax credit is based on parents' modified adjusted gross income, the number of children they have, and the ages of those children. The full enhanced credit will be available for heads of households earning $112,500 a year and joint filers making up to $150,000 a year. For many families, the amount then plateaus at $2,000 per child and starts to phase out for single parents earning more than $200,000 or for married couples with incomes above $400,000. More low-income parents will also become eligible for the child tax credit because the relief package makes it fully refundable. All eligible households can receive a total of up to $3,600 for each child under the age of 6 and $3,000 for each one ages 6 to 17 for this year. Parents will receive half the credit, up to $300 a month for each younger child and up to $250 for each older one, on or about the 15th of each month through the rest of the year. There are many families that may make more this year than they did last year. The crisis sent the economy into a tailspin in 2020, causing millions of people to lose their jobs or have their pay reduced. But this year, things are looking up as the country strives to return to normalcy. So everyone, what are your thoughts on the expanded child tax credit? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Republicans in the Senate defeated a procedural vote brought by the Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer to begin debate on the bipartisan $1.2 trillion infrastructure plan, dealing with a potentially crucial blow to President Biden's agenda. The vote failed 51 to 49. With the Senate evenly split at 50-50, Democrats needed 10 Republicans to vote with them to reach the 60-vote threshold to end cloture and begin debate. Chuck Schumer said he ultimately voted against the motion, which he had been urged to delay so that he would be able to reintroduce it at another time. The 22 Republican and Democratic senators who have been negotiating the deal said in a statement that the work to hammer out a deal will continue in a statement. Senate Democrat Joe Manchin said Chuck Schumer assured him that he will introduce the motion if the lawmakers on the negotiating team can marshal the 60 votes required to break the filibuster. Republican lawmakers, including those who negotiated the plan with Democrats and the White House, had asked Chuck Schumer to postpone the vote so that talks could continue on how to pay for the package and work out the details of what's in it. So everyone, how do you think that the infrastructure should be paid for? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's the end of the video for now. Thank you so much everyone for being here today and watching this video. I truly appreciate it. This Friday, I will be announcing more winners of my $75 Amazon gift card giveaway. You can enter the giveaway by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also leaving a comment below. Thank you so much everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.